Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, this video is gonna be very interesting because in this video, I'm gonna show you how to earn more Pi coins by becoming an Pi network validator. Guys, what is this network validator and how to apply for this on the Pi app? I'm gonna explain everything in detail. So watch the video without skipping. Guys, now before we start this video, in case if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Guys, now usually there's two ways to earn Pi coins and almost everyone knows that, right? First is downloading the Pi app and start mining Pi by clicking on this option here. That's all. Do that once every 24 hours and you'll earn Pi coins. And the second thing is refer and earn Pi coins. In this, based on how much hash power you have, depending on that, you'll earn that many Pi tokens per hour. Right now, my hash rate per hour is just 0.01. So the more hash power I have, the more Pi coins I'll earn. To increase this hash rate, all you have to do is just refer this application to your friends or family members. The more people you refer, the more you learn. So guys, these two methods, almost everyone knows that. But I'm going to teach you one more way where you can earn more Pi coins, and that is to become a KYC validator. Now, what is this Pi KYC network validator? So people like you and me who mine Pi coins on this application, if you become an KYC network validator, people like regular people who mine on this application, if they send you like documents, live photos, you should verify that one. So if you verify by approving it or rejecting it, then in return for the work you do, you'll get Pi coins. And the thing here is, the more you work hard and the more accurate your work is, in return you learn more Pi coins. Okay, now come on to your Pi application and click on this 3-line option. Here, click on the second option called mainnet. Click on the mainnet checklist. Now, here click on this submit your KYC application, and you'll get an option called become validator. Click on this. Guys, in the next step, it will ask you a few questions. So you should answer all that correctly. Now to start, click on get started. So here under this service agreement, click on I agree. Now here it's showing the things that you shouldn't do. So please take note of this. You shouldn't take screenshots or copy people's documents. You should not download it or save it. And you shouldn't share it with anyone. So once after you go through everything, click on this confirm option. Now here you'll get a tutorial. So let's see that. Click on start tutorial. Now guys, here it's showing a United States passport format, and it's asking whether if this passport is correct document or a wrong one. So I'll click on this no option. Now down below it's asking you the reason for selecting the no option. Tick this option called incorrect ID. Click on submit. Now here the second question is this the France passport? Correct or wrong? Answer is yes, it's correct. Third question, is this United Kingdom ID card correct or wrong? Answer is no, and the reason for this is unclear photo. Click on next. Fourth question, is the person in the left photograph the same as the person in the right photograph? Answer is yes. Fifth one, is the person in the left photograph the same as the person in the right photograph? So the answer is no, and the reason is unclear photo. Click on next. In the last question, liveness check. Is this video a live recording of a real human? Answer for this is yes. Click on next. Now the next step is you should take a quiz, okay? To begin, click on start quiz. First question, when can validators share validation data? Answer for this is the last option. Validators should never share validation data with anyone in any circumstances. When can validator download, record, screenshot or store validation data? Answer for this is the second option. Never download, record, screenshot or store validation data. Last question is if you don't follow the rules, then what may happen? Answer for this is the all of the above answers. Okay guys, now once you click on the submit option, you can start the validator's work and you can start earning some extra Pi coins. Guys, the number of documents which you validated, it will show on that page only. and it will also display your Pi rewards that you receive. And guys, one more thing, in case if you haven't started mining Pi, then I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. So click on that and start mining Pi. And also in the description, you'll find my Telegram channel link. So if you're not following me there, then do that now. On my Telegram channel, I keep sharing future trade signals, spot signals, crypto related content. And if I get any emergency crypto news, then the first thing I'll do is I'll post it on my Telegram channel. So guys, do follow me on my Telegram channel. And in case if you want any Pi related videos, then do let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'll make a video on that. Okay guys, now if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then also drop that in the comment section. And guys, please to drop a like on this video. And in case if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now if you're a subscriber, then I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.